Alright everyone, this is the Lexus 2006 GS 300, 350, all the GS models. This is the black pearl back bumper, as you see. I already have the little lights here. They're like 10 bucks. This light right here is pretty hard to get. It's from Japan. It's like $150, $160 for this whole light right here. So we're just gonna create one, but this is gonna be painted tomorrow. It's gonna go to the paint booth right here. Give you maybe a side angle or something. It's pretty long. It's pretty cool. It even's got the right here. This is where you put the sensors, circle the sensors. Area's got the bolts right here, so there's not a lot of cutting. I mean, except for right there, you gotta do something there. It's pretty dope. It was expensive, like 1,000 something, but hey, it's gonna make my GS look dope. I'm gonna cut it right. Here's a better angle of the bumper. Pretty aggressive. Look at that. It is made out of fiberglass, so you already know it's gonna break. I mean, it is a copy. Obviously, I would assume it's a copy. I don't know. It was $1,000, but I think I don't even know what that shit is. But yeah, I am getting some new tips because I have single tips, and it's gonna look weird. So it's cool. It came with this in the box to protect it right here. See that? But yeah, it's going to the paint shop tomorrow. Here, this is the front bumper, as you see. I know you can see the concrete from there. Don't worry, that's getting fixed. I'm gonna buy it soon. The fender liner, but here it is. This is the black pearl front bumper, paint matched. I already got these little lights right here. It's gonna look pretty dope. I'm gonna put an oil cooler in there. You could get a turbo kit, but it's like $13,000, and I don't feel like doing that because I'm just gonna get another car. But yeah, aftermarket tail lights. Here's the fitment. It's not as low. I am gonna go lower soon. Like once the back bumper's on, I am dropping it. Here's the side skirts. This is VIP side skirts right here from VIP. Take you around. Everyone in the wheels are GNC. They're whatever. They're one piece. Nothing special. Now this is a back bumper lip. This one is also VIP. I have a Rev 9 exhaust. It with a straight pipe. My friends tell me it sounds like a 350Z. You're gonna walk around right here. I just washed the car. It's a pretty fun car. Yeah, I can't complain about it. I mean, I did crash it, but I fixed it up. It's got 5 coats of paint, 5 coats of clear. It even's got these weather guards right here. This is from a 2005 GS 300 second generation, and it fits perfectly. Look at that, from right here all the way through here, as well as even here, all the way to the back. And it is color matched to the car. Gives it more of a aggressive look. Oh yeah. I also have this. This is some eBay thing you could buy. It was carbon fiber, like it was fake carbon fiber, so I just had it painted to match the color of the car. I can't complain, it looks pretty cool. And this is the spoiler. I am getting a carbon fiber one. Carbon fiber spoiler. It will stick out like right here. Like right there. That's where the carbon fiber should stick out. I do have another one, but they sent me the wrong one, and I just painted it the same color as the car. So I took it out.